When you think of John Deere, you picture those legendary green tractors plowing fields at sunrise. But in 2026, John Deere decided to shake the ground in a different way, by rolling out their first ever John Deere pickup truck. Yes, you heard that right. The company that's been feeding America is now ready to haul America in a way you've never seen before. The moment you see it, it demands respect. Dressed in deep John Deere green with aggressive yellow accents, it has the kind of farm-tough presence that city trucks only dream of. The front fascia carries a bold, squared grille with the iconic leaping deer front and center, surrounded by sleek, high-beam LED matrix headlights that give it a modern but rugged glare when it approaches. The steel front bumper isn't for decoration, it's ready for your ranch gates, muddy trails, and towing cattle trailers without a flinch. Under the hood, the 2026 John Deere pickup isn't playing games. It's equipped with a 6L Duramax turbo diesel V8, co-developed with GM but tuned specifically for low-end torque, pulling a monstrous 975 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're hauling hay, a trailer, or your weekend toys, it will move it with ease while giving you the reliability John Deere owners swear by. There's also a hybrid diesel-electric version with a torque-boosting electric motor, perfect for off-grid farmers who need to save fuel while still getting the job done. Inside, it's a cabin designed for the modern working American. The seats? Durable John Deere stitched leather, heated and ventilated, built to withstand muddy jeans and long days in the fields. The digital dash displays engine vitals, trailer assist, tire pressure on all 6 tires if you're dually equipped, and even a moisture content meter for your crops, sync directly with John Deere's FarmSight system. But here's the real deal, the John Deere pickup is the first truck with integrated autonomous field drive. You can take it into your fields, set the route, and it will drive itself at a safe, steady pace while you monitor your equipment in the back or focus on other tasks on your land. It's not just a pickup, it's a tool, ready to work alongside you from dawn till dusk. The bed? A high-strength steel composite with a modular rail system allowing you to lock in seed boxes, power tools, or even a mini hydraulic crane for lifting heavy feed bags. There's also a built-in air compressor and a 4,000-watt inverter, letting you power tools, weld in the field, or charge your electric equipment while on the go. John Deere didn't forget tech lovers either. It comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 15-inch touchscreen compatible with the John Deere Operations Center, and even drone integration for field mapping or livestock monitoring. A 360-degree camera system ensures you won't bump into gates or fences while maneuvering, and off-road modes include soil-specific traction settings for mud, gravel, sand, and even snow. On the road, the ride is smoother than you would expect from a truck this capable. Thanks to active dampers and a smart rear air suspension, it automatically adjusts when hauling heavy loads, maintaining stability and comfort on highways or rugged dirt roads. It can tow up to 22,000 pounds, ensuring your big trailers, tractors, and farm equipment can move without a problem. The 2026 John Deere pickup is more than a lifestyle truck. It's a lifestyle commitment for the farmer, the rancher, and the land steward who doesn't just want another city boy pickup in a fancy paint job. It's for those who want a tool that's as dedicated as they are. The truck isn't cheap, starting at around $68,000, but you're buying decades of reliability and a name you can trust on your land. John Deere is offering it through their dealerships, with maintenance plans linked to their existing equipment service networks, so you're never stranded. In a world flooded with trucks claiming to be tough, the 2026 John Deere pickup truck brings authentic toughness, utility, and a genuine connection to the land. If you want a truck that doesn't just look the part but lives it, this is it.